Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Redmi Note 10 and Redmi Note 10 Pro. Okay, for that we will need the settings for. Just scroll down here and then you will have here the symbol for the settings. Tap it. So now we need the first point here about phone. So, and here we will need the MIUI version number. And you have to tap that MIUI version number now for 7 times. And now you are a developer for the phone. Yeah. Okay, now you go back one step so that you're back in the general settings. And then you scroll down to the point additional settings. And here you will have now the developer options. Okay, now you can do the stuff you wanted to do with enabling the USB debugging or the stay awake mode and so on and so on. And if you're ready with your stuff, then you can also disable the developer options here again so that they disappear at the settings. So if I go now back one step, they're still there. Don't wonder why. But if I enter now again the additional settings, they are disappeared. Yeah, that's it. If you want to have them back, by the way, just do the same thing with tapping 7 times on the MIUI version number and you will have them back. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.